yeah. Oh yeah. Oh goodness. Woo! Oh, that was dope. Oh, look at this. What's this? Nice. Wow. Oh, just fluffy goodness. Whew. Oh yeah, fluff-tupless. Oh, look at this. Up here in Buena Vista now, just got done with beautiful Crested Butte for a snowboard trip. Now we're up here, fistful of dollars, a few more dollars that way. Look at the ski slopes right there. Here we go right here, look at that beautiful view. Hey, how about that fat tire? Hey, how about that fat tire again right there? Looking good. Look at that view, folks. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.